everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. Today I'm finally coming at you with my Lush Valentine's Day haul video, and I am so sorry that for one it's taken this long, and also that Valentine's Day is over, but you can still buy all of these things online, so I think that's slightly justifiable, but I do apologise that this has taken me so long. These products have been in my room for literally weeks, and if you can't tell, I'm in a different background again. For probably the third time in this past year, I've changed where I'm living, and it's a long story, but I can fill you guys in the video. If you want one, let me know. But yeah, basically, I'm going to be filming here from now on, so I'll let you guys know what's going on with that if you want to know. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to get on with this haul video. I'm so excited because honestly, I've not even smelt any of these products because they've been in this bag in my room for weeks and I haven't been here. So I'm so excited to get on with the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave me a comment down below of your favourite product from the range, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't know what thumbs up was at the end, that was a bit lame, wasn't it? So I'm going to be going through each product and I'm going to read you a few of the ingredients off of my phone because I don't know them all off by heart, so do excuse me if I'm looking down, it's because my phone is down here. So the first product I'm going to be talking about today is the Eve's Cherry Lip Scrub. This contains things like cherry kernel oil, lime oil, shea butter. It's really, really good. In terms of the scent, it smells like a mixture of things. It smells like a mixture of a slush puppy and Play-Doh, but I actually really like the smell, so yeah, really excited to give this one a go. And this one was made by Dana, so thank you Dana for my lip scrub, very excited to use that. Next up are both of the shower gels for this year. The first one is the American Cream. Smells exactly like the conditioner. I absolutely love this one. The colour is amazing as well, and this includes things like strawberries, vanilla, lavender oil, some really lovely products, and it smells incredible. So if you want to get yourself a nice shower gel, I would definitely recommend this. I think they still sell it in shops, I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments below if they do still sell it, but yeah, I really like this one a lot. And the second shower gel for the Valentine's range was the Avocado Wash, which I'm assuming smells like avocado co-wash. I don't know, I'm just going to smell it and see. Yeah, it smells like the Avocado Co-Wash, like shampoo-y thing that Lush sell. This smells amazing. In terms of ingredients, this has got olibanum oil, avocado oil, fresh avocado. So it's kind of like a citrusy avocado, and it smells amazing and it looks amazing. And it just looks like a Twister ice lolly compared to this one. I really like it. So yeah, let me know down below which is your favourite. Are you team avocado wash or are you team American Cream? Let me know. Now moving on to all of the Naked products, so the bath bombs, the bubble bars, the massage bars, and the soaps and stuff, which is always my most excited section of the haul. So let's start off with this one. This is the aubergine bath bomb, which obviously was inspired by the emoji of the aubergine. Not going to tell you what that's supposed to represent because I don't think it's suitable. However, this one, that smells so... Wait, is that 29 High Street scented? Oh my god, it's 29 High Street scented. Why did I not buy 12 of these? That smells so good. So ingredients wise, I'm just having a little look now. This one has fresh aubergine or whatever you'd call it in America. What is it called in America? It basically smells like a Lush store. So I would have bought 30 of these if I'd known the scent, but really excited to give this a go. And in the water it looks amazing as well, so yeah, definitely recommend this one. Next up we have the Peachy Bath Bomb, and again this one was inspired by an emoji. And in terms of the ingredients, I'm just looking now, we have got fresh peach juice, grapefruit juice, and a few oils. That's basically it, and I'm very excited to give this a smell because I've not smelt it yet, so it kind of smells like Play-Doh. But it's nice, but it's, I don't know. It does smell very familiar, so... yeah, I've definitely smelled that before, but it has got like a Play-Doh-y smell to it. So yeah, that's really good though. Definitely like that one. Next up is the Open Your Heart Bubble Bar, and this one to me looks like it was probably inspired by Madonna. I don't know. I could be wrong. But this one smells really, really familiar, and it's got Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil, cardamom oil, and cocoa butter. So super, super nice. It smells... it's really hard to describe the scent though, I'm not going to lie. Like, it has like a spicy smell to it, but it's really, really good. So I would definitely recommend this one, and it's got shea butter in the middle, so it's going to be nice and moisturising. Very excited to use that one. Next up is this bubble bar, and this is the 6 bubble bar. I got mine in the red and yellow, and I think my mum got the blue and yellow, but I think the ingredients are the same. So this one has ylang ylang oil, clove bud oil, and... that's basically it. It is a nice fragrance. It's slightly spicy, so it's not my favourite, but it's nice. It's something a little bit different, but I don't think I'd buy a load of them, if you know what I mean. But yeah, really cool. I like it. Nice. 10 out of 10 for that. Good job, Lush. The next product is the Strawberry Whip Soap, and this one I absolutely love the look of because it's just like a giant strawberry, and strawberries are my favourite fruit, so love the look of this one. In terms of the ingredients, obviously we've got fresh strawberry in there, but we also have tofu, jasmine, geranium oil, and in terms of the smell, which I'm really excited about, oh, that smells so good. What is that? I've smelt that before. Let me know down below if you know this scent, but that smells incredible. So I really, really love this one, and it just looks so cute, so I can't wait to use it. The next product is the Big Banana Massage Bar, and this is melting in my hands, so I'm going to have to be super quick with this one. Ingredients wise, you have got fresh banana, cocoa butter, ylang ylang oil and clove bud oil, and it smells like banana. Like a slightly spicy banana. That's literally like slipping in my hands. I'm going to have to put this down. But it smells amazing. And it's so soft as well. Oh, that's actually amazing. So, yeah, would recommend that. That's probably one I could eat. I won't eat it, as per usual, but I definitely could eat that one. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that the next product has been one of my all-time favourites for probably about 4 years, and that is Unicorn Horn. And this one smells of lavender and vanilla, and it's so good. It's like my favourite thing in the world. I love that scent so, so much. And the cool thing is you can look like a unicorn. Next up is a body scrub, and this is the Love Island body scrub. This one has some really lovely ingredients such as lemongrass, aloe vera and jasmine, and it smells like not very much, I'm not gonna lie. It has a very, very subtle scent to it. Like, I really do like the idea of the naked body scrubs, however, like, I could use that all in one go. And in terms of price, this one is £3.50, and I just think for one use it's quite expensive. I'd much rather spend £10 something on rub and have it last me like a month, do you know what I mean? However, what I probably will do with this is smush it down and put it in a pot and then just scoop out a little bit and use it that way. But yeah, it does smell nice, it just doesn't smell like a lot. It's got that spicy smell to it, although I don't know if that's like the scent of something else, but yeah, that's okay. Not my favourite. I think that's probably my least favourite out of them all, but I do like it, so that is okay. Last but definitely not least is the Love Token reusable bubble bar, and this one is covered in glitter again, so I'm going to be very, very quick. This one has ginger oil, pine needle absolute, clove bud oil, and some other ingredient that I don't know how to spell, but I will write it on the screen so you guys can have a little look. Again, this has that really strong spicy smell to it, which isn't my cup of tea, but if you like spicy scents, or if you're not a fan of the sweeter smells, you'll probably really like this one. I am going to put it down now though, just because I've literally got glitter all over my hands. So if you like glitter and you like spicy fragrances, you'll really like that one. But yeah, I'm literally covered in sparkles now, so I need to go wash my hands. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below your favourite product from the Valentine's range. I'm so sorry it's taken me this long, like I said, but we finally got the video up, so I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you guys are having a fab day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.